Hello friends, myself Professor Kaushik Nasrana of Electrical Engineering Department from Noble Group of Institutes, Junagadh. Today we are discuss a third electrical engineering subject named Electrical Power Generation from GTU. Subject code is 3330904. In this chapter of hydropower plant, we are considering energy conversion in hydropower station with its advantages and disadvantages. So first of all, what is hydropower plant? Okay, a generating station which utilize the potential energy of water at high level to produce electrical energy is called hydroelectric power station. Right? Hydro is a Greek word named water. So hydropower stations are less popular than thermal power station. Why? Because the hydropower stations are constructed where large quantity of water is available at some considerable height. Although medium and low head hydropower plant are also constructed by constructing a dam across the river. Mainly it is multi-purpose scheme because in this scheme we can control the flood and also the irrigate the water supply to the people, or we can use for the municipality or the water distribution board to distribute the water. As well as power is also generated. In hydropower station, no fuel is used, but potential energy of water at some height is used. So the first hydroelectric plant was built in the Fox River in United States of America in 1882. The largest capacity of hydropower plant in the world in Brazil with a capacity of 12,600 megawatt. One more term named hydrologic cycle. So what is hydrological cycle? It describes the path of water droplet from the time it falls to the ground until it evaporates and returns to our atmosphere. Many processes work together to keep Earth's water moving in a cycle. The water cycle, also known as the hydrologic cycle, describes the continuous movement of water as it makes a circuit from the ocean to the atmosphere to the earth. Okay. Now next, energy conversion in hydropower station. As earlier we have discussed that no fuel is used, but potential energy of water at some height is used. So there is potential energy in water as it is at some height. When this water is brought down by passing it through the penstock or the pipeline, the potential energy is converted into the kinetic energy. When water passes through the turbine, the kinetic energy is converted into mechanical energy, and alternator coupled to the turbine convert the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. Let us see some advantages of hydropower station. As no fuel is used in this type of power station, the operating cost is less. Moreover, no transportation and handling of fuel has to be done. Another one is number of equipment is less, so the maintenance cost is also less, and due to the less of the equipment, the standby losses are also less. Small building is needed as the number of equipment is less, so the initial cost is reduced. Again, plant can be start and stop quickly, right? There is no any separate time you need to wait, as like in thermal power stations you need to wait for the temperature. So there are no need to start a plant with some Q. There is no pollution of air as no dust, smoke, fumes, etc. are produced. Normally, the hydro scheme is multi-purpose scheme, right? And plant is simple and it does not require highly skilled engineers, so the operating cost is reduced. Life of plant is relatively long. Again, there are some disadvantages, like lot of civil engineering work has to be done, such as large dam, canal, penstock, etc. are to be constructed. So the initial cost is very much high. Normally, such schemes are in the hilly regions where there is no transportation facility, so approach road, etc. are to be constructed first, which result in high initial cost. As the place of generation is very much away from the load center, the cost of transmission line is increased, the transmission loss is also increases. Such scheme require comparatively more time for completion, so the cost exceed the estimated cost. Again, capacity of plant depend upon the quantity of water in the reservoir. So, if the monsoon fails, the power cannot be generated. Okay, thank you. We will meet in next lecture.